Hello, welcome back to my channel. Our today's topic is about X-ray camera in Poco F1 and Xiaomi Mi 8. The hardware was present in both the device before OnePlus 8 Pro. So, before starting, click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for notifications from our channel. Now, let's begin to the video. Lately, OnePlus 8 Pro has been trending for its color filter camera, which is capable of seeing through thin plastics and clothes. However, it is not the only smartphone to have such capability. The 2-year-old Poco F1 and Mi 8 can also click X-ray-esque pictures with their front-facing IR cameras. Xiaomi introduced IR camera on Mi 8 and Poco F1 for face unlock in low-light conditions. Some users found these handsets to see through thin plastics a few months after its release, by using third-party IR camera apps. Now, there's even a dedicated app for these two phones, called IR Camera for Poco F1 and Mi 8, on the Google Play Store. Here, you can use IR feature in the front camera. You can also see the results I have kept using the IR app, and it's from Poco F1. Having said that, no major privacy issue was raised about these two cameras, unlike the OnePlus 8 Pro have. That's because the IR camera sits on the front of these Xiaomi devices and it requires an additional app. Anyway, if you are a Poco F1 or Mi 8 user, comment below that did you tried the IR camera apps? And did you think that it can be helpful? I will be waiting for your reply. Till that, goodbye, see you soon, we'll meet you in next video.